Io sono Simona, ho 28 anni e vivo da Prato, sono nata qui, quindi vivo.
Design research documentaries are a window into the world for which we design. The moving image uses colour, movement, performance, gesture, actions and speech to reveal the embodied, lived experiences of all who inhabit the earth. Producing a design research documentary creates a contact zone where meaning, beliefs and values are explored. It can be a site where ways of understanding and representing the world are investigated, so the design of spaces, products, services and experiences have the most benefit for all.
Sono mai stato nei paesi inglesi, in Australia eccetera, però so che la vita lì si svolge dal lunedì al venerdì è lavoro, dalla venerdì al sabato sera finiscano lo stipendio settimanale, la domenica si rinchiudono in casa e hanno questo loro stile di vita. Noi siamo italiani.
The design research documentary has its roots in ethnographic filmmaking, which has been used to understand people, place and society since the 19th century. More recently, ethnography and anthropology has taken a sensory turn, advocating for filmmaking that recognises the senses as central for understanding lived experience. The Sensory Ethnography Lab at Harvard University was established to produce alternative forms of ethnography to explore the aesthetics and ontology of the natural and unnatural world. The design research documentary is an extension of ethnographic filmmaking and aims to gain access to the messiness of everyday life to inform the design research process. If we use the double diamond as an example of the design research process, the design research documentary assists at all stages. Interviews and a moving image site review enhances discovery. As we define the design problem, video can help synthesize and then tell the story to help articulate the problem being addressed. During ideation, video can be used to speculate on imagined futures, revealing possible outcomes or unintended negative consequences. The design documentary can then describe prototypes, their use, and document their testing. Additionally, all the material collected and produced can be combined into a design documentary that tells the entire story of design development. According to Ilariescu and Burr, a video used in design research should have the following qualities. 1. Bridges the gap between them and us. 2. Provokes designers to rethink their taken-for-granted views of problems and solutions. 3. Provides supporting arguments for designers. 4. Allows evolvement through negotiations in the design process. 5. Is transparent in terms of who is interpreting and for what motive. Ilariescu and Burr describe the design research video as a social glue, where video can bring a diverse range of people together around design activities and relevant discussions. It could also be thought of as a contact zone, where different experiences and ways of knowing are discussed and challenged. The design research documentary, like any film, is interpreted differently by individuals, thus making it a provocation for designers and the community and individuals who will use the design. The Living Spaces Prato project was a collaboration between a filmmaker, architect, Italian translator and architecture students to evoke the lived experience of the people who live, work and visit Prato in Tuscany, Italy. This workshop will briefly discuss the production process and provide a practical example for participants to evoke their own spaces.